help us with your take on the benchmark indices with respect to Nifty specifically, because we are sub that 25,000 mark and sub that we have broken below that 24,900 as well for today. What are the levels that you will be watching out for Nifty?
Good morning, everyone. So now Nifty has given a negative closing for the last 4 weeks back to back. And if you see, the last time this happened was actually in September 2024. And post that, Nifty actually corrected 10%. But I don't see that similar kind of price action repeating. I think Nifty has a very good support of around 24,800. And I think this week you might see some kind of reversal coming in the Nifty, maybe a short covering. Also, definitely 1st August is just around the corner. Maybe we'll get tariffed. Maybe Trump will extend it for the deal to close. And I have no idea. My guess is as good as yours. But again, today, I think Nifty doesn't look that weak. And I think Nifty has a good support, 24,800, and a reversal is on the card for this week at least. In terms of resistance, I would think 25,000 is the immediate resistance for Nifty. And if any kind of short covering comes in today, or maybe tomorrow, you can see Nifty coming to that 25,000 level again. And if some positive news comes in on back of maybe results or tariffs, I think we can reclaim the 25,000 level mark also.
Okay, so that's the take on the Nifty, and seems like we're in for another week of uncertainty in terms of the Nifty, because Nifty now low for 4 consecutive weeks. That's the longest losing streak that we've seen on the Nifty in this calendar year. So not looking very good for the Nifty right now. But Sharan, what is your take on Nifty Bank? Amid a slew of sectors that have ended in the red over the course of the week, Nifty Bank has still managed to eke out a 0.5% gain on a week-to-date basis last week. Any strength you're seeing here, and Nifty Bank versus Nifty PSU Bank in particular, because PSU banks have closed lower by about 2.5%. Where are you seeing strength right now?
So Snehi, again, Nifty Bank was one of the only few sectors apart from pharma that showed a weekly gain of 0.4%. So definitely stick to the leaders, HDFC, ICICI, even I think, but Kotak Bank results were not that great. And I was reading about it, so we'll have to wait for the opening. But again, definitely in terms of performance, Bank Nifty looks like it's going to outperform Nifty anytime in the coming 2 or 3 weeks. And given the weightage of the stocks in the Nifty itself from the banking sector, I think they'll play a very large contribution in taking Nifty about 25,000 and even to that 25,250 mark. So definitely outperformance is expected to continue. And when you talk about PSU banks, their weightage in terms of weightage is not that strong. And except for SBI, others have very small weightage in the Bank Nifty. So even if you see outperformance in PSU banks, it will not have a great impact on the Bank Nifty index per se, apart from SBI. But SBI results are also due. So we'll have to wait and see how the results are there, and we can review it when and as it comes.
Right. Okay. So tell me, Sharan, hi, morning firstly. What stocks would you recommend to our viewers this Monday morning?
So last week, as I've seen, and even in the past 2-3 weeks, pharma is the only sector that has seen some kind of outperformance, pharma and healthcare sector. So I think that outperformance will continue, and it's more or less a safe sector to invest in also. So my first pick is Apollo Hospital is looking very good, has given an engulfing candle on Friday. So you can make a buy position on Apollo Hospital with a target of 7618 and 7768 with a stop loss of around 7318 on a daily closing basis. My second stock would be SBI Life. Again, a decently strong stock, good commentary from the management, strong in a weak market. That is also important to have seen a clear outperformance to the Nifty. So you can go long SBI Life, again looking very good with a target of 1882 and 1932 with a stop loss of around 1782 on a daily closing basis.
Right. Okay, Sharan, stay with us. Lots more to talk about. We're going to take a very quick break, but stay tuned. We've got a very special interaction lineup at 10 a.m.